Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn profile changes before applying with topresume. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn profile changes, start by opening your LinkedIn account in your web browser. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. On your profile page, look for the More button located near your profile picture. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Save to PDF. Your LinkedIn profile will be converted into a PDF document. Wait for the download to complete, and check your Downloads folder for the saved PDF file. Next, open the PDF file to ensure that all your information is displayed correctly. If you want to back up specific sections, consider taking screenshots of those parts. Use the snipping tool or your computer's screenshot functionality for this task. Now, save those screenshots to a designated folder for easy access later. If you have any recommendations or endorsements, take note of those as well. To further secure your backup, consider emailing the PDF and screenshots to yourself. Open your email and attach the files, then send them to your email address. This method allows you to access your backup from any device. Finally, make sure to keep the backup folder organized for future reference. You're now ready to apply with topresume, confident that your LinkedIn changes are safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to them. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.